Hi, Dav here, and today we have a new episode in the Art Review series, and today we'll be checking out the work of epakim1 here on Instagram. So I believe they're Korean. So they do have some nice, let me just go over their work quickly here. Lots of anime girls plus a heavy focus on military sort of themes or gear. And they actually have some nice, interesting tutorials, if I may. Let's try this. So if you look at this guideline, number 1, step 1, draw some circles. And then step 2, you draw the rest of the fucking plate carrier. So pretty straightforward, very... I know it's a joke, but it's kind of funny. Because there's so many memes out there where you start off with circles and then you jump immediately to the very end. But they do have like a quick process. We'll go to it eventually, but let me just see this. Interesting, if you look at their line work here, I do see a bit of a shake. I don't think they're using any kind of stabilization. It reminds me a little bit of a, oh god, I'm forgetting their name now. They don't have a name, they have like a user tag. But they kind of draw this way as well, where they don't use stabilization, they allow the shakiness of their hand to show up in their lines. And it does make it look a little more natural, even if you do it digitally. It kind of feels more like a natural or traditional sketch. Is there even texture? I don't think so. I think the shakiness is the texture, but also they're using some kind of brush with opacity. It looks like from afar like there is a little bit of a watercolor edge, but that's just me. Maybe my eyes like failing me, but I like it. Let me go to the other tutorial here, because I'm so interested to learn. So step 1 on how to draw tactical armor carrier. Step 1, draw a vest. Step 2, add gears on vest, as you can see. And then step 3, draw other gears. So again, very straightforward, but it is kind of loose, but you get the vibe, right? And usually this is how it starts, and then you simply draw over these initial lay-ins in terms of like ideas, and then it gets more final or more finished as you push through it, right? But it is a lot, doing this kind of detailed work is intensive for someone like me, but in the end it does, or it looks really worth it. Then we just focus on this because I do think this is a video, so you can see their actual process here. A quick sketch. Okay, so thumbnail, or not thumbnail. So this is them just drawing. I don't even think their line has like a pen pressure. It's just direct, solid, round shape. Okay, lots of drawing, redrawing. But I think it's kind of in its own layer now. And then the face, the horns, some adjustments. That's it. So you can see the initial sketch. They had a first sketch which they dropped. This one's the more final one. So they have like the baseline, right? And then they draw over that. So once they have like the pose, right, the face, then they draw the gear on top of that first, and then after the gear, they'll add like the face, the head, and that's pretty much it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I know that the view is not changing. I'm guessing it's because of how clips to the paint are Procreate. I'm guessing they draw on clips to the paint, if not Procreate. But it's sort of it takes up the whole page, so you can tell. Well, maybe they are sketching in a tablet. I'm not sure, but this kind of time-lapse is a bit different because you're seeing the strokes. The strokes are the ones being recorded, not so much like your screen or your cursor. So it's hard to see how they actually move when they draw this thing, but interesting perspective for shot. So let me go to some more of their military rendering. Oh, I want to see how they study. It says here study. So how does that look like? Oh, clips to the paint. Okay, so they are using clips to the paint. Oh wow, they are serious. This characters, especially a military themed. I mean, you're gonna have to. By the way, quick disclaimer, I should have done this in the beginning, but I don't do super deep dive analysis videos. It's just like a casual review. So it's more of a chill session, but very interesting. And again, even if you look at the way they study, it's just focused on the line or contour drawing. It's not even fully contour drawing. It's more about, because even their line art is not like super tight or finished. It's more about the idea, but they can, or maybe it's because they do plan on rendering it anyway. We don't want to see this too. There is some line art for this guy, right? Oh, there's a bit of a jitter, like it's kind of gritty. A white outline as well. Oh my god, my headphone is sort of flipped in. Sorry. Wait, is that Under Armour? I think so. Or something like that. Oh, is that a bullet scar? Interesting. And I do like these types of characters where they're a little more beaten up or like experienced. That's what I see. And I think they're very into girls with horns. So a man of, or a woman who knows, a person of culture, clearly. I feel like it's an Oshi Noko something character because the eyes are so like from that show or anime. You have like a shotgun here, more complete scene, but they still have the ink work sort of in there, right? The ink work can still be somewhat sketchy, but they did decide to paint to render it a bit. I like it. Oh, look at the way they render. There's not a lot of blending. For example, if you focus on the fingers, right? It's kind of cel shaded or it's layered. It kind of has a cut out filter look. In Photoshop, you have a filter called cutout where it transforms your images into like segmented parts. Oh, I like this one. This could be like a cover. This one's more tight. Again, the rendering, you can see the hard edges. Instead of using like a mixer brush or a blending tool, they do leave that into, like it's part of the style. Oh, maybe there's a slight bit of blur in the edge as well. So is that it has a camera focus sort of feel. Interesting. Extraction in 3.2. Is that a pen cap? I'm not sure what this is. Could be like an injection. Maybe she's wounded, so she has to heal herself. Look at those bullets. It just stopped her. Thankfully, she had like a mask on, but this part here is like open. So, but I like it. It's so cohesive. Oh, let me open the earlier ones, which we failed to. Let's do this one first. So, skill issue. Oh, wow. Happy birthday, Amy11. So it could be another user or artist. Look at that gear. Look at that. Like when you're looking at this, you almost forget or you don't really recognize the details. But without it, like you see it as like one thing. However, if you don't have this, it's not going to look good. Or this level of detail. I mean, it's fine. It's going to be okay. But they just add, in a way, it makes the face pop out even more. Like with this amount of detail and with the face not being as detailed. Like that contrast just hooks you in, you know. So. White outline, pretty cool. Very Art Nouveau. Oh, let's look at this chick. I do like her. A scar like through the eye or just around the eye or yeah, in a straight diagonal. It doesn't matter, but if it's gonna hit an eye, it just looks pretty cool. Like edgy. Like I'm experienced, like I'm like, you know, it reminds me of the anime Black Lagoon, like that vibe. So tough. I mean, look at that gun. I'm not sure what this is. Is this like an Armalite or something? I'm not a gun guy, but you know. We got some ammo here. We have the vest, obviously. She looks so cool. Oh, she's showing you her clip. Do you call it a clip? Again, not a gun. One day, once I get my PC, in about 10 years or 5 years, you know what? I'll see this. Maybe it's very possible that within this year, the stars align and I get to have like a proper PC. I'm gonna start not just improving like my art setup. You know, I can start doing streams and stuff like that, but I can do things like game, and I don't know. I just feel like I wanna try and shoot stuff, right? Via a game. So one day it's gonna happen. Oh, some more studies. Look at that. Dedication. And right now, look at yourself. Have you done like a page like this where you just focus on studies? Chances are you haven't. You've been bed rotting a little bit, right? You've been doom scrolling. We know. Oh, more of a focus on like the face head design. Let me see this. New Steam profile pic just dropped. Oh yeah, I think that's where you like download games, right? It's so sad when I try to talk about games. Like I want to be a gamer so bad, but one day. Right now you're judging me, but it's gonna happen. You're gonna see me transcend and ascend. Right? I get that monster. Right, the contrast. She has like demon horns. She has like a scar, so she's kind of tough, right? But you can see her kind of being goofy. So it's like a good sort of mix. Oh, she's being a little bit inquisitive, like, ooh, what's going on here, right? Let's try a different pose. This one's more of a quick sketch with a basic brush with opacity, but that's it. No heavy textures, no nothing. Or no anything, sorry. Oh, look at this. Is that a grenade? Oh, OC character sheet. Sorry, Lamia Combat Medic. Oh, so the reason why maybe there's this like green thing, where is it? It's because she is a medic. Oh, these are her horns. I thought it was like a typical SWAT person, but oh, okay. So she is a medic. It reminds me of an anime healer or something where the main characters are not, well, they're healers, but they can fight. It's a very unique concept where the healers are just not like, they're not behind the scenes. They're in the front lines, leading the charge in a way. Well, they still act as medics, right? They help their comrades, but they can fight, which is very like they use the healing their healing abilities on themselves so they can heal faster. So anyway, so let's check out the character. What makes Lamia? So she has like a V40 grenade, LBC or chest rig, got some scars, pretty hot horns, hotter ponytail, even hotter. Comtac V1 or 5 or 6. Oh shit, is that a 6? Oh no, smokes a lot. It's kind of bad, but it looks hot. USEC Boss Delta, not sure what that is. Velocity Rugby. Rugby is an interesting sport. I did watch an anime concerning rugby, so there you go. Pig Delta, not sure what that is. Female 172 centi. What is that in like feet? In inches. Faction, USEC something. Place of birth, redacted, age, redacted. Reminds me of the Stein files. It's a joke. There's a reason why I didn't say the full name, because I might get banned. Can you imagine an entire page? Maybe just like 1 or 2 words where you can actually read it, and then everything else is like just redacted. Like, what's the point, you know? Anyway, I don't want to get too deep into that because I'm gonna get like sad and hopeless, or feel hopeless. Loa, Solomon could be the shoe, referred to the shoe. Oh wait, what? Thank you for purchasing my art book. So maybe they do have an art book somewhere. Okay, interesting. Usek Woodland Infiltrator, Cry G3 Lower. No idea what these terms mean. Blackhawk Holster Panels. That's where you holster the gun. Trooper Plate Carrier. Why not? And you know, she has like some nice thickness to her. Like, you know, she can do some damage. Look at those legs. Right? She's well built, you know? Like, she can push things around, move things around. Oh, look at, oh dude, it's so freaking tough. It's her horns are right there. She got like a med pack, I think, over here. Look at that, just saving the day, being hot. She doesn't even have to heal anyone. Her very presence just enlightens or encourages or uplifts her comrades. So tough. And again, the rendering, they're combining the ink work with some, it's like a cell shaded but with more textures, right? You don't again see blending. Like, they're not trying to go for a painterly look. It's more of a cell shaded. Like this could be a cover for like a manga or doujin, right? Look at this. Let's see this. Oh wow, 100 kilograms. That's kind of heavy. By the way, I just bought myself a weight, sort of what do you call it? It's like a scale. Apparently, I've gained weight because it's been years or like 2 years since I've actually officially, not officially, but step on the scale. So I always used my weight back then, but apparently I've gained a couple of, I'll just say muscle. Go. You know what? We'll maybe end with this because I think we're wasting too much time here. So a quick sketch of her, of his there. Oh, is this like a M16? You tell me. I don't know. Again, not a gun guy. Damn, just her nice shoulders there, right? Nice arms. Again, she's very thick, very strong. She kind of fits the, and also if you're medic, if you are a medic, I kind of expect you to be able to lift something or someone, right? If they're injured, like you have to be able to lift that person on your own. So having a bit of muscle mass, I think definitely helps. Get that. So some other stuff here. Oh my goodness. Is it the same character? Perhaps. She does have a gun with like a bayonet. Oh dude, that's so freaking hard, right? And the blood is no longer as red, it's kind of like brown, so it's dried up. So she just survived something. Oh jeez, so tough. This is more of a nerd. No, actually, this gun is called the and you can tell the horde is different. So yeah, maybe they're demons or something. Bar demons, so cute. Dude, anime girls are so like, it just gives me so much life. Oh, dude, we have to understand what's going on here. Maybe it's like a Halloween theme thing. It's a different girl, maybe. Oh, the scars look similar, but she's wearing a, oh my, those legs. I'm kind of ignoring the elephant in the room here, but let's go. Yeah, right, there you go. Because there is a popular like costume, the ghost costume on. Just search online for Halloween, and let's just say they're very attractive. Whoever is like doing these trends, they're very. They've got something to show, right? Nice sort of headgear. You know what? Let's look at the horse. It's from like the horse racing anime. That's my guess. Uru something. Usurame, bonjour. So she's like French. Je m'appelle DAVIII. Even the hand expression, it's so like French, like this hand over here, like very bonjour, bonjour. Yeah. So there's definitely a lot more stuff to see. I'm gonna link their page in the description below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.